Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my August releases. I'm so excited. It's been a minute since I've done my releases. I know I've heard you guys ask me to release some, and with everything and all the uncertainty going on, I know it's like not the perfect time, but I'm going to show you guys my new releases, and I hope you guys are excited for them as I am, because I think they're so beautiful and gorgeous. And I have new sizes available. A lot of you guys have been asking for a smaller petite size, and I've done it. I've done it for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy them. And just so you guys know, all my stickers are available to fit the planners that are 7x9, 8.5x11 planner, and also now 5.7 by 8.5, which is what's considered a petite planner, which is a smaller planner in dimension, and it's compact. So let's get right into it. So here are my new releases. There's a good sneak peek. These are available on my website as is, and I want to start off by showing you guys a new release for my small sheets. You guys have seen this in the vlog. If you haven't seen my vlog, I'll link it up here in the cards, and it is the new gray no spend stickers. I think a lot of you guys have been asking for this. I know some have asked for customs, and I just don't do them. But Viv, I think she was the final push. I was like, you know what? People wanted, so let me go ahead and create it. So thank you, Viv, for giving me the small push. And yeah, so this is the no spend. You can always find these in my little functional freebie that comes with every order. So there you go. And of course you can find all these stickers at erikalifevlogs.com. So I want to go ahead and just start showing you guys my August sticker kits. So the first thing is my August stickers for the calendar, and of course you can always get this with an add-on. So this goes on your calendar view, so it does have a Sunday through Saturday start. And then, of course, it includes date dots, payday stickers, and hopefully it's not too bright, bill due stickers, and you can see them individually right there. I've included all the colors that are in the pattern, and this pattern called to me so much. It felt muted. It felt like a good transition from summer into fall, kind of, in my opinion. I felt something that I needed colorful but still muted, and I think I achieved it greatly with this one. And this is the pattern Stones. I freaking love it. I think it looks gorgeous, and I think all the colors complement it very well. So I hope you guys are excited for it, because I think it's so beautiful and gorgeous. So yeah, this is the monthly sticker sheets. This can be bought by itself, or you can add this on to your 7x9 or 8.5x11 sizes. Now I do have these now in the smaller version, and the smaller version will come with its own smaller version sheet of the add-on. This is just standard to 7x9 and 8.5x11. So I hope you guys are happy and excited for this, just like I am. So yeah, now I want to go ahead and get into the washi, because I feel like the washi is what really sells a sticker kit, because I feel like the washi is what really makes or breaks for me a kit. So here are my washes. As you guys saw, I do have the August Stones. I think it's beautiful. It has golds, olives, blues, pinks, oranges, anything that you can think of, but still in a muted tone, and it has like a pastel mauve grayish tone in the back. I think it's beautiful. And then I went ahead and created the August checks. So the August checks is just a complimentary crisscross pattern that complements some of the stones and colors within the stone washi. So I thought that was beautiful, and it complemented so gorgeously. And then of course you always do get the option to add a small washi, and the small washi just lets you have a glimpse or variation of all the washis that I do offer. So the small washi right here does have the stones, the checkered, and some of the other in-between colors that you see in all the other washis. So this is the washis for August. I think they're gorgeous. I think they're beautiful, and I love them. You can't go wrong with pinks, blues, yellows. You just can't. I love everything. And of course you can get those in all 3 sizes, now available on my website at erikalifevlogs.com. And of course I offer the August budget sheet. I offer the variable income and paychecks 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we do have a lot of options to get for the variable paycheck system, so we do get August variable paychecks 1 through 5. So you do have all the paychecks available for your income financial needs. So these are the income budget stickers that you can lay out on any planner, any 7 by 9, 8.5 by 11, and now 5.7 by 8.25. So there you go. All right, next we have the functional add-ons. I love these. This weekly check-in is my favorite. You guys know I can't live without it. I have been slacking on the weekly check-ins. I know, don't come for me. It's a work in progress right now. Right now, everything's a work in progress. So this is the weekly add-ons. We do have the weekly check-in, the debt tracker, the sinking funds, and the savings tracker, along with your transaction log. So these are all available in all 3 sizes, including the small new one. So these are it. I love them. I think they're great. They're so pretty, and I love the color combination. It's just gorgeous. I am in love. So those are the functional add-ons, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you the expense trackers that come with the collection. So here we go. We have Yale Blue. I know this is not technically Yale, but I like the word Yale, so I named it Yale. Peach, Gold, Stone, Blush, Olive, Foam, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's all the colors I have. These are what I use to track my weekly expenses in my monthly view, in my weekly tracking system, and I love it. And you can choose any of the colors that you want that can suit your needs for any of the budget sheets that I have available today. And just to give you guys a quick glimpse of the small sizes, this is how they'll look. They're so tiny. I remember testing these out and I thought, oh my god, these are so ridiculous. They're so ridiculous and tiny, but this is the size of the paycheck budget sheets that you can now get in the mini size. All right, and now let me just show you how the paycheck budgets will look. So this is how a paycheck budget will look right here. Let me zoom out real quick. And this is on a standard 7 by 9 piece of paper. You can use these on 8.5 by 11 paper as well. So that is how a paycheck budget sticker sheet will look like if you go with the stone background. And of course, you can always go with the checker. So of course, you can always have it interchangeable right there. This is how the weekly layout will look like. I think it's so pretty. And of course, like I said, you can go ahead and interchange it with the stone washi. And then this is how the functional other add-ons look. We have the debt tracker, sinking fund, savings tracker, and transaction log all together in a page, and you can see them with the interchangeable washes. So there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed my new releases. I am so excited, especially about the new gray nose spans right there. I think she looks stunning, and it complements so well with the checkered August washi as well. And of course, you can grab all the paycheck sheets, budget sheets available for you, and the add-ons. So yeah, oh my god, it's a sticker bomb. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my new releases, and I'll check you out in my next video. Bye, you guys!